Welcome. Today we are going to talk about African moral values. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Moral values are patterns of conduct considered worthwhile by society. Morality is a set of social rules that guides the conduct of people. Ways in which morality is inculcated or passed in African traditional societies through punishments or fines, through conversation, by use of proverbs, through wise sayings, by use of myths that have moral lessons. Importance of morality in the community promotes cohesion, promotes harmony in the community, promotes the welfare of the community. It prevents social disintegration, promotes law and order in the community. Moral values. The first moral value is honesty. It is the ability to tell the truth. Hospitality or kindness or generosity, an act of sharing with others. Loyalty, staying firm in friendship. Cooperation, an act of working together for a common good or purpose. Excuse me. Respect, ability to recognize other people's rights. Obedience, ability to follow instructions or rules or regulations given by someone. Integrity, ability to be relied on or depended upon. Humility, ability to recognize one's weaknesses, qualities, and strengths. Sharing, it is giving one's time and resources to others. Hard work is the perfect execution of tasks assigned to an individual. Responsibility is the caring attitude of individual towards others. Chastity or purity is being sexually pure or having good sexual morals. Tolerance or perseverance or endurance, the ability to bear and put up with difficult situations. Love, a strong feeling of affection towards someone or something. Courtesy are acts that indicate politeness and good manners. Unity, it is a state of being whole that fosters togetherness. Continuity and changes of some aspects of traditional culture. These aspects include land ownership, payment of bridal wealth, mode of dressing, involvement in leisure activities, the way of worship, property ownership, the view on widows and orphans, the view of the community. Changes in land ownership. It's individually owned. Land ownership has been commercialized. Women are allowed to own land. One can buy land and settle anywhere. Title deed is issued to show ownership of land. The landless are not taken care of nowadays. There are landless or squatters today. Ancestral land is sold today. Some land is set aside by the government. Daughters or children can inherit their father's land. Uses of land. Used for cultivation, used for grazing, access burial sites, used to conduct rituals, used as sacred places of worship, source of traditional herbal medicine. It provides food, firewood, and building materials. Changes in dressing. Some clothes are unisex. Fashion changes from time to time. Old people complain the young dress indecently. The traditional dressing has only been left to traditional dancers. The dressing has become more elaborate and expensive. Some clothes worn today are sexually provocative. Changes in African communal worship. It's not a mass nowadays because some are atheists. Animal sacrifices are no longer offered in churches. There are readings from holy books. There are so many breakaway or splinter regions and churches. People have different beliefs about God. Offerings have been monetized. Changes in leisure. There are diverse forms of leisure activities, for example, racing, skating, driving, etc. Some leisure activities are very expensive. Some leisure activities are negative, for example, watching pornography. Leisure activities have become individualistic. Today, leisure activities do not have restrictions between boys and girls. Some leisure activities have become illegal.